Meaning of inexpensively.
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 Inexpensively. The word inexpensively refers to something that is done or obtained at a low cost. It implies an economical approach or a way of doing something without spending too much money. For example, if someone says they want to travel inexpensively, it means they want to travel without spending a lot of money. This could involve finding budget-friendly accommodations, transportation, and activities. In general, the term inexpensively emphasizes the need for financial efficiency and cost-effectiveness in order to achieve a desired outcome without breaking the bank.